Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add people or any user in Google Chat in your PC. So I'm going to open Google Chrome, then you have to go Google Chat. You can go this way, you can see chat. So once you click on chat, then here you'll see it's your page. So now what you have to do, simply click here. You can see the plus icon, so simply click on that. Then you have to type the Gmail ID here. So I'm just typing. So you can see this is the I have a friend and it's the chat, so you can send him message hi. So this way you can find the user. It means that you have to, I repeat, you have to type the Gmail ID, the user you're going to chat. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.